Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome this year's valedictorian, Ms. Rida Asif.
Yesterday, I was smart. I wanted to change the world. Today, I am wise. I aspire to change myself in order to change the world. Honorable Chancellor, Board of Governors, Guest of Honor, President IOBM, Vice President FHE and Chief Advisor IOBM, Keynote Speaker, faculty, parents, and my fellow graduates, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed an immense privilege to stand before you all today, reminiscing the remarkable journey we have all shared. Standing here, I am filled with tons of emotions and pride, not only for the personal achievements we have accomplished, but for the shared journey we have experienced together. As I reflect on my academic journey, it becomes clear as crystal to me that it was far more than just a combination of courses, exams, and grades. It's been a journey of discovery, a path where we learned not just about subjects, but about ourselves. From navigating through complex concepts to pushing our boundaries in group projects, we learned the importance of perseverance and curiosity. Along the way, as we all are aware, we faced numerous challenges and moments when we wondered if we could continue. One of the greatest and significant challenge we faced was the transition to online learning during the COVID lockdown. Practically overnight, our familiar routines and in-person interactions were replaced by virtual classrooms and Zoom calls. It is easy to think, but it was not easy to adapt. Learning through a screen felt isolating at times, and balancing personal and academic responsibilities became a daily struggle. But in that struggle, we grew. We learned that while the tools and platforms might vary, our commitment to learning remained constant. We learned to navigate uncertainty and how to adapt to changes. We acquired skills that will serve us well beyond the walls of this institution. So today, my friends, as we look towards our future, it is important for each one of us to ask ourselves, what will we do with the power of knowledge and education? How will we leave our mark on the world? We've been blessed with the privilege of education, but with this privilege comes a greater responsibility. Corporate social responsibility isn't just a corporate buzzword or a heavy word we've learned in class. It is a philosophy that we must carry in our personal and professional lives. Our success shouldn't just be measured by the careers we build while we are in our 30s or in our 50s, but also by the contributions we make to the society as individuals. And I hope that each one of us knows that even the smallest efforts can make the greatest impacts. Furthermore, it would not be fair enough to leave this prestigious stage without thanking the people and community who shaped and made us into the individuals we are today. To the esteemed management and faculty members, thank you for your unwavering guidance and for igniting our passion for learning. You have challenged us to think critically, and you have pushed us beyond our limits. To our parents and families, your support and encouragement and sacrifices have been our greatest anchor. You believed in us even when we doubted ourselves, and your support has been a guiding light in our journey. To my own parents, thank you for doing everything you could with whatever you had. To my dear friends, thank you for being our companions in this adventure, sharing both the struggles as well as the joys. You have provided love, laughter, and countless moments that we will never be able to forget. Now, I'm addressing to my fellow graduates with one of my pieces. Like several other pages in the chapters of our life books, here's another one. The day we graduate, the very moment we've been waiting for. Each one of us carries a legacy within. With a degree in hand and a burning passion in our hearts, together, let's illuminate the world. Today, as we celebrate this joyous occasion in our beautiful gowns, caps, and tassels, we symbolize hope for millions and millions who lack access to education. In the spirit of our institution and our hard work, I leave you all with these words. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर. सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ, सदियां गुजर गईं, दुनिया तेरी बदल दे वो एक सजदा तलाश कर. Thank you and congratulations to the class of 2024. We did it because we are limitless. Thank you.